How's everybody doing? Welcome back to the channel. With St. Patrick's Day right around the corner, I thought we would do a green and gold, try to simulate like the hills of Ireland. Um, I'm using 4 different shades of green, some gold, and just a little bit of white. And I'll put the which paints exactly down in the description. So let me show you my first bowl. This 10 by 20 takes about maybe 13 or so ounces. So I had to use 2 separate bowls. Here's the first one. And the second one. Sorry. Alright. And I was just going to do like a ribbon pour to try to get hills. I know you can't see the entire thing, but I will do the close-up so you'll be able to see everything at some point. Alright. I wish I had longer pans so that I didn't have to pour right on the table, but oh well, here we go. Alright, here we go. This is your bottom left corner. Top right. and going through the middle. I'm very happy with how this turned out. It's a little less hilly than I was expecting, but I still think it's beautiful. It has a lot of nice patterns in it. Just enough gold to give it a contrast. And I'm loving it. Alright, that is it. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful week. Have a wonderful St. Patty's Day. Find us on Facebook and at thelittlepoorhouse.com. And as always, thank you for watching.